Hi, as a part of my tech talk, I would like to discuss on a topic applications of path testing. I am Thakur Karan Singh from IIT 4th year. Path testing is a method. In path testing method, the control flow program is designed to find a set of linearly independent paths of execution. It is a structural testing method that uses the source code of a program to find every possible executable path. Path testing. Here process dependency, one of the functionality. An input variable is independent of the processing if its value does not change as a result of processing. An independent variable is process dependent if its value changes as a result of processing. A predicate is a process dependent if its truth value can change as a result of processing. A predicate is a process independent if its truth value does not change as a result of processing. A process dependence of a predicate does not follow from process dependency of variables. Correlation. Two input variables are correlated if every combination of their values cannot be specified independently. Variables whose values can be specified independently without restrictions are uncorrelated. A pair of predicates whose outcome depend on one or more variables in common are correlated predicates. Every path through a routine is achievable only if all predicates in routine are uncorrelated. If a routine has a loop, then at least one decision's predicate must be process dependent. Otherwise, there is an independent value which the routine loops in predicate expression. A Boolean expression called the path predicate expression, which characterizes the input values that will cause the path to be traversed. Select an entry or exit path, write down uninterrupted predicates for the decisions along the path. If there are iterations, note also the values of loop control variable for that pass. Converting these into predicates that contain only input variables, we get a set of Boolean expressions called path predicate expression. Now, here coming to the applications of the path testing, there are mainly four types: integration, coverage, and paths in called components, new code, maintenance, and rehosting. Integration, coverage, and paths in called components. Path testing methods are mainly used in unit testing, especially for new software. The new component is first tested as independent unit with all called components and co-requisite components replaced by substitutes. A simulator of a low level components that is more reliable than the actual component. Part testing clarifies the integration issues. C1 coverage at the system level ranges from 50% to 85%. We gave no statistics for C2 coverage in system testing because it is impossible to monitor C2 coverage without disrupting the system's operation. New code. New code should always be subjected to enough path testing to achieve C2. Stubs are used where it is clear that the bug potential for the stub is significantly lower than that of the called components. Trusted components will not be replacement is given. Typically we will try rotation that will do the task. There is a great difference between maintenance is completely different situation. It involves which in the system as required. Modified component rehosting. Testing with C1 we get a very powerful effect coverage is used in conjunction with automatic or sensors. Software is effective to support the environment. The of the rehosting is to change the rehosting from one COBOL environment to another. Rehosted or to implement new functionality which test suited, and all outcomes of the old environment become the specific for the rehosted software. Thank you. This is all about the applications of path testing.